My best vacation. Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about my best vacation. My vacation were the last July of this year. On this occasion I traveled with my husband to Mompiche, a place located in Ecuador. For this trip I hired a company called Andina Tourism that offered travel for 5 days and 4 nights. We left from Pasto City at 7 o'clock at night, so we traveled all night. The next day we arrived at first to Atacames, a beautiful place located off the coast of Ecuador. There we spent several hours and we could have a beautiful experience on the Oceano Pacific. In the boat, we went offshore and we could meet a small island called Tonsuba. According to the boat driver, that island belongs to some European people who often arrive there to spend time with their relatives and friends. It was a wonderful experience because near to this island were many seagulls and it was beautiful to see them flying over our boat approach to the island Tonsuba. After this, we continued our trip to the Mompiche, where we arrived around 5 in the afternoon. There, a person who works with the company took us to our rooms. My husband and I had a room with a beautiful view of the sea. During the day, we could enjoy the beautiful beaches, and at night, we attended several activities that the hotel had scheduled. We were able to enjoy the open bar, the buffet, and the restaurant. In those places, we could drink and eat whatever we wanted. Also, during the night, we went to dance at the hotel disco. Very happy. After those 4 days of vacation, we returned to Pasto, very happy, and eager to return to the same place if we had the opportunity. Thank you.